Hi, and welcome to the Pico Workshop. It's with genuine pride that I'm here to tell you about our Pico BNC NVH Diagnostics Kit, available to buy from our distributors and picoauto.com. Designed to give you the tools you need to confidently diagnose NVH problems, this kit makes use of new, highly innovative features that will help you find faults fast. Let's take a look. Inside, you'll find an entirely new set of probes and accessories. Using the same magnetic mount as its BNC predecessor, the new accelerometer is just as compact and simple to connect, no matter the vehicle, machinery, equipment or vessel. Compatible with industry standard clips, the new microphone has new form factor, making it easier to install and handle. We've also improved the cables supplied with both probes, and these 2.8 meter leads have improved flexibility as suggested by your feedback. Although their full diagnostic benefits come through PicoDiagnostics NVH software, both probes also work alongside our full range of Pico BNC Plus and BNC probes in PicoScope. The kit also includes new 3 meter Pico BNC Plus extension leads to help you capture noise and vibration from a wider range of locations. These leads are compatible with our Pico BNC Plus NVH probes, Pico BNC Plus ×1 test leads, and Pico BNC Plus current clamps. These new probes are available in kits of 1, 2, or 4 of each accessory type. The larger kits come with a heavy-duty case, robust enough to keep your tools safe, and it's also available as an upgrade for the smallest kit. So, how will this kit help you diagnose NVH problems? Well, the new kit is quick to fit thanks to plug-and-play connectivity. Simply plug in your scope, connect your probes, load up PicoDiagnostics, and you are ready to go. We've also introduced a groundbreaking 3-into-1 channel system. This gives you greater flexibility to triangulate mechanical faults, whether that's inside a cabin, around a vehicle or machinery, or next to an engine. For example, by placing an accelerometer in each corner of a chassis, you can also quickly locate brake, bearing, wheel, or tyre faults. Finally, with improved responses and dynamics, these probes help you to diagnose your problems precisely, report faults confidently and at pace. Thanks for tuning in. Please look out for this product's demo on getting started. But first, head over to picoauto.com or contact your local distributor to get your new Pico BNC NVH Diagnostics Kit.
Silent for unique electronics.